Now that your child's using Seesaw, let's get you set up for the Family app. You can like their work, comment, and see real-time notifications as they turn in activities. As your child posts new activities, you'll see them here on your home page. You can also go to the journals, pick their class, and look at their work from there. Remember, it's really important to like your child's work and leave them meaningful comments. Oftentimes, we want to write "good job," but try something like this that will provoke a little bit more meaning and feeling for your child. Help challenge your child's thinking by asking a question. Click on your inbox to explore messages from your teacher. Once the teacher has sent you a message, then you'll be able to reply back or send your own messages. And finally, in the top left corner is where you can adjust all of your settings. You can add classes, add children, you can adjust your notifications, how often you get them. You can even set it up to get text messages when your child posts work. Now go check it out.